Okay, guys, I'm going to be showing you what PTR does. Yeah. Hello, guys. Welcome back to Gable's channel, Pounds of Balers. Today we're looking at a company that kind of lies. Yes, we're going to show you the video. We're showing. It's all about PTR. Mostly I can't do a face reveal. So I'm going to I'm not gonna say the age, but let's look at the company. Okay, here we go. Other manufactured bales by these circling. By these companies right here, Bale Master. And go all the way down here to get more. Please buy Marin, Harris, Excel, SSI, Shrine Systems, or International Bale. We're random. We're gonna show you how balers work. Denmark. Unfortunately, it's Denmark. We're gonna look down. And yeah, there is something I found. I was finding this baler thing while I was looking at Marin. Oh. Wow. The mid 1800s. Wow. PTR baler and compactor were invented in 1800s. Wow. So what to do with that? Unfortunately, I found this. Okay, guys, give this company an L, please, because PTR and baler compactor is starting over this. Sitting right over here. I don't know what they're doing over here. I don't definitely like it. It's dumb. I hate it. And PTR is let's go, unfortunately, okay, here we go. Okay, when PTR started in 1907, yes, it's true. PTR started over in 1907, which it was actually Philadelphia Tramrail. Look at that. PTR, what is wrong? When was the compactor invented? 1941. It's copper compactors. So baler and compactors were invented in the mid 1800s. What is the revenue of PTR? PTR baler is $663.3 million. What does that mean? Really? Revenue. I'm not gonna talk to. I want to work for them someday. Don't lie. Not lie. I'm actually not lying. Oh yeah. That's true. What is the history of baler machines? How much does a baler make? $25,000 and $39,000 yearly. The average hourly rate for balers is $15.35 per hour. That sucks. What is the OSHA standard for carbon compactors? A vertical hydraulic. Okay. Yeah. What is a life about? Oh, sugar. Okay. PCR is the most stupidest company that I found. Yeah, of course. Of course. Okay. Self-contained compactors, vertical compactors, carbon balers. PTR baler. Is that the fire? I'm not sure. Why should I gonna set the fire on for the little sign? PTR baler. Fortunately, soon I'm gonna have a little stand for my computer like this. Higher, better. Oh yeah, let's set that stupid thing on fire. Yeah, look at that. This thing right here. That's because of PTR. They suck. PTR is actually the most companies. They told me that some guy on YouTube told me that PTR balers have get their panels warm. That's what sets the fire on. And safety switches, they don't work as well. Some guy said like they actually like I don't know how long, probably like 5 years, probably 2 years, like 10 years. Then they survive for surviving their things. Yeah. Yeah. Why does PTR baler compact? I'll show you. Oh, sugar. Alright, it's gonna show you. Yeah, see? Look at that! Look at that! Look at that! It says, some former and current employees of PTR and PTR baler and compactor have criticized the company for a variety of reasons, including poor management. Some say the company is mismanaged and complaints about safety issues. Yeah, that's definitely true. Management. Others say that the management has control issues, toxic work environment. Some say the work environment is toxic. The low pay, some say the pay is low and the employees do more than their typical job duties. Poor location. Some say the office is located in a bad neighborhood. Lack of flexibility. Some say the compactor and the company is not flexible for employees. Look at that. I'll be right back. I'll be right back. Okay, guys. BTR Baler has done enough. We're closing it down. Let's see what they're saying. What they're saying about. Look at that. There's someone right there. That says toxic, disorganized, underpaid, overworked, and undervalued no matter the department. I learned I waste my time. Culture is one-sided. Hardest part of dealing with egos. Find another place to work. Okay, I'm gonna find. Oh, don't worry, I'm gonna find another place. No, they're not the best. Bad. Look at that. Bad, poor quality, production, environment, no safety practices. Indeed. No, poor management. Have heard new management is better. When I was there, it was rough. Don't do it. If you're looking for something quick and want to build experience, then this is the start. But this isn't a place where you want to make a career out of. Everyone is stressed here. Yeah. It says decent pay. If you know how to negotiate, if you're self-starter, then yourself set, because there is no professional way. Guidance here. Management is the epitome of unprofessional. Even if you get promoted, you get a pat on the back, but no pay raise. If you're efficient, you get to do other people's job too. Look at that. Look at that. It's horrible management, no matter the department. Lots of turnover, no good managers. Oh, I get that. I get that now. Yeah, I get that. No room for growth. They only promote and hire their own. Wrong people in positions of power. This place is a joke. Oh, someone soared right there. Management will make you want to pull your hair out. What are they thinking? Their egos and demands are the stuff of lunches. Nothing but politeness and oh God, and be here. This could be a great place to work. Oh, look at that. Look at this. The management is clueless. They work you long hours and with no consideration at the end before letting you go work you 60 to 70 hours with no warnings. Good luck if you work for this company. I'm not going to work there. Absented minded managers accepted to be picking up the slack of your managers to things do not work as efficiently as they could due to lazy management and a lack of innovation when it comes to how departments operate. Management, the boss in the plant facility doesn't treat the employees. That's rude. The way they should be. Okay, hold on. Look at that. Building is dilapidated. You need to wear ponchos when it's raining. When it rains. What a bunch of con artists. And men who are running a Mickey Mouse operation here. The building was built before the consumer age. I think around the time of the Civil War era, the place is mismanaged and complaints on safety issues. They have cobbly stones around the john. That's how old it is. Terrible place. Foremen don't even know. Be foremen. They do not respect their employees. The manager doesn't know how to speak or socialize with employees. You start jobs you're not even supposed to be doing. I worked there in a year and a half. Look at that. I'm not gonna speak because it's a little loud. I'm sorry for my yelling. Sorry, guys. I apologize. Forgive me. I forget my yelling. But I yell because this company is stupid. Guys, like Marin, like Bass, do it. Look at that. Pause. You can pause right now. For when you're done reading, you can go on pause and watch it. Management is a very poor, yes. Let's say about Marin. Yeah. See that, guys? Marin. You know, guys, you want to work there? Work there. If you don't want to work, if you get scared, well, too bad. That's lying. This place is a joke. No, I'm not looking at it. Kind of bad. I learned. Okay, good. I don't know what. I'm not gonna do it. There's a little one right there. That guy was kind of really literally ridiculous right there. Alright. I've done enough, PTR. You're gonna get shut down. Or not gonna shut you down. But someone's gonna shut you down. Then I'm gonna own a company someday. I may actually want to build a new company someday. What? Look at this. Why is Marin engine? Oops. The best. Look at this. Buy Marin. Work there. Buy these. I like it. I like Marin. Marin is my favorite. Those reviews on there were stupid. They're not the best. I like it. I may want to work for a base. I'm gonna work for a base at Marin. Marin. Thank you for watching this video. Welcome. This is Gabriel's channel of Helens and Balers, and I'm so sorry for my yelling. I just want to stop this. I'm sorry, guys. Please forgive me. I'm sorry. Goodbye.